Good evening, Healthy Warriors. Welcome to our class tonight on the Core 4 Supplement Pack from Young Living. My name is Genevieve O'Keefe, and I'm a leader with the Healthier Warriors Facebook group. I am also a certified health education specialist with the National Commission on Health Education Credentialing, which means that I maintain 75 hours of continuing education credits in the area of health and wellness so that I can bring you this information. I also have a master's of public health from The Ohio State University and a bachelor's degree in health education from Purdue University. I want to talk about supplements because I love Young Living supplements. That was one of the first things that I was able to ditch and switch as I stopped buying my supplements from other places and started buying them from myself on my own Young Living account. So the question is, why supplement at all? Even when we have a very healthy, well-balanced diet, supplementation is important. And there's three main reasons. One is that our body is affected by all sorts of stressors, which affect our ability to metabolize different nutrients at different times. So supplementation just guarantees that we're going to continue to get the nutrients that we need. The other is that as we age, our body naturally produces less of certain nutrients, and supplementation helps us as we age to live our best life and to age gracefully. The third is just, if you are eating a healthy diet, that's great. There are times when we just get off track. We don't eat that healthy diet and we just don't know how that affects our body. And sometimes our body is actually fighting to stay above the wellness level. Maybe it's that time of year where our body is just being bombarded with a lot of other things, and it needs those extra vitamins and minerals through supplementation to help it out. So those are reasons why you might choose to supplement. Even if you're a healthy eater, that's a great reason to try supplementation. But why is Young Living in the supplement business? Well, there's a couple reasons for that. One is that vitamins made with essential oils have a 60 to 80% absorption rate over supplements that are made without essential oils. Typical vitamins, our bodies have a 20 to 30% absorption rate of the minerals in those products. And when the oils are included, we have a 60 to 80% rate of absorption. And so that means Young Living's vitamins are incredibly efficient at doing what they need to do in our bodies. Young Living is also a leader in sourcing the highest quality ingredients in the world. Just as they source the best products for their oils, they know how to source the best products for their supplements. So that's why Young Living is in the supplement business. Now, I've attached a link, which is probably right above me right now. And that is a link to all the nitty-gritty details in an online presentation on each of the products in the Core Supplement Pack. So I would suggest that you click over there, watch that presentation. It's about 20 minutes. And then feel free to come back here and ask your questions in the comments. I'll be online checking and responding to questions as they come up. In the meantime, I just want to give you a brief overview of these products and what they are. So first of all, the 4 products in the Young Living Core 4 Supplement Pack are Master Formula, Longevity, Essential Zyme, and Life 9. As of this recording, Longevity is out of stock. So if you go to your Young Living account and say you want to order the Core Supplement Pack, it's going to say that it's out of stock because they're waiting on the Longevity. However, the other 3 products can be purchased individually. And I would suggest that in the meantime, until you wait for Longevity to come back in stock, you might want to try Sulfurzyme. Sulfur is an element that's in every cell in our body, and it's very important that we maintain sulfur balance as we age. So sulfurzyme would be a great thing to use in the meantime while you wait for the longevity to come back on the market. But for the purpose of this presentation, I am going to talk about longevity as part of the Core 4 supplement pack. So first of all, we're going to talk about Master Formula. So this is Master Formula. It comes in a box of sachets. Okay, it's going to have a little sachet with all your pills in there. Young Living's multivitamin is Master Formula. Okay, it is a multivitamin that includes antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other food-based nutriments. Now, nutriment is actually a word. I'm not making it up. A nutriment is any substance that, when taken into a living organism, serves to sustain it in its existence, promoting growth, replacing loss, and providing energy. So basically, a nutriment is anything providing nourishment. And Master Formula is full of vitamins and minerals from foods that provide nutriment. Master Formula also contains prebiotics, antioxidants, and all food-based ingredients. It's also vegetarian friendly, contains no preservatives, artificial stimulants, or colors. It's free from bovine or porcine ingredients. And there's a big difference between what you find in Master Formula and what you'll find in the grocery store. First of all, there's a unique preparation called synergistic suspension isolation technology, so SSI for short. This means that similar ingredients are combined into capsules and tablets, and they're separated so that they interact with each other efficiently. So certain nutritional components, when combined with other nutritional components, will react more effectively with each other than when they're all in one capsule. And that's why you have multiple capsules in each sachet. There's a powder capsule, a liquid capsule, and a pressed caplet in each dose. Inside the powder capsule are all the B vitamins and the mineral chelates you need. B vitamins are incredibly important to replace because they're water soluble and they will not be stored in our body. So if you're not ingesting B vitamins, you're not going to store B vitamins. And that's why supplementation with B vitamins is very important. Inside the liquid capsule, you get all the fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. As well as all the essential oils in Master Formula that help with that absorption. A lot of people ask where they can get turmeric essential oil from Young Living, and it's actually in Master Formula. So that is a source of turmeric in our products. There's also a caplet that contains spectra fruit, vegetable, and herb blends. It contains antioxidants and food-based nutrients that you would find in broccoli, onion, camu, apple, tomato, acai, elderberry, carrot, mangosteen, blackcurrant, raspberry, bilberry, kale, garlic, and a ton more. You also get vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and choline. Choline is found in every cell in our body, and it is a critical nutrient for the function of life. You'll also get your fructooligosaccharides, or FOS. And FOS is a prebiotic. And prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that help feed the probiotics in our gut. And those are good bacteria. We need probiotics in our guts. You'll also find all the trace minerals to help support enzyme function in our bodies. Some experts suggest that our serum levels of vitamin D are not where they should be. In fact, they say they're suboptimal in at least 40% of people and possibly up to 70 to 80% of people. Vitamin D is very hard to absorb, especially it's inhibited by certain medications. So supplementation is key. And here in the Midwest, where we don't have sunshine 365 days a year, vitamin D supplementation is very important. The vitamin D in master formula comes from a company called VitaShine, which means that it's certified vegan, non-GMO, and it is plant-derived and does not contain sugar, wheat, gluten, or dairy products. So this is an important difference. When you think about vitamin D, you can find two types of vitamin D. Typically in the grocery store, you might find vitamin D2. But the preferred form of vitamin D is vitamin D3. And it's believed that the neuroreceptors on vitamin D2 might be effective in absorption of vitamin D in the body for a while, but eventually will plateau. And vitamin D3 seems to help the body increase vitamin D levels for a longer amount of time. So that's another reason why master formula is different than the vitamins you're going to find in the grocery store. It also contains organ B vitamins, which is an organic blend of guava, holy basil, and lemon extract. It supports the activity of B vitamins like thiamine, niacin, biotin, pyridoxine, riboflavin, folate, pantothenic acid from organic food, as well as methylcobalamin. Now, the core supplement pack also contains Omega Gize 3. I'm going to hold that up. Hopefully you can see it. Omega Gize 3 supports general wellness. It provides support for the brain, heart, eye, and joint health, and combines 3 core supplements into one. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins, and bioidentical CoQ10. And these are all important supplements to take when you're physically active. I do take Omega Gize 3 daily, and I can tell you I notice when I don't take it. It makes a big difference for me. All right. Now, I did mention that longevity is out of stock. Therefore, I don't have a bottle of longevity here. So I'm just going to tell you about it. It's a simple supplement with essential oils in a base of fractionated coconut oil. And the primary purpose of longevity is to provide antioxidants that prevent the signs of aging and the deleterious effects of diet and the environment. And who doesn't want that? It also protects DHA levels, and DHA is a nutrient that supports brain function and cardiovascular health, promotes healthy cell regeneration, and supports liver and immune function. Longevity contains frankincense, orange, thyme, and clove essential oils. And clove is one of the strongest antioxidants on the planet. It's an excellent way to clean up all the potential risks of the day. There's also one more component of the core supplement pack, and that is Life 9. We talked about prebiotics earlier in Master Formula. Well, now we're talking about your probiotic. Some people think that good health starts in the gut. More and more research is coming out to prove that to be true. So we need to fortify it with good bacteria that support digestion, immunity, and gut function. Life 9 includes 17 billion live bacteria from 9 unique bacterial strains to ensure that the entire GI tract is colonized with good bacteria. Life 9 does come pressure sealed in a glass bottle. It comes with a desiccant inside of it to keep it fresh. It does need to be stored in the refrigerator. And it is suggested that you take it as far away from food as possible. So typically 2 to 3 hours after eating in the evening. Life 9 is not a probiotic for children. So if you want to give a probiotic to a child under 12, I would suggest you try the KidSense MightyZyme. Not only is that made for children, but it is also very portable and does not need to be stored in the refrigerator. So also a good thing to think about if you're going to travel with your probiotics, to get the MightyZyme products that are in single individual serve pouches. Taking the core supplement pack is easy as a set. Omega Gi's 3 and longevity can be a bit tough on the tummy. So if you find that it bothers you, take those supplements with food. Master Formula can be taken either in the morning or with the largest meal of the day. And again, Life 9 should be taken as far away from food and other supplements as possible, preferably 2 to 3 hours after dinner. Again, feel free to check the link, which is probably right above me right now. Go ahead, and I have even more nitty-gritty details on these core supplement packs on my website. The slides and the script for this presentation were provided by Lindsay Elmore, a pharmacist from Alabama, and she has more information at lindsayelmore.com. The components of the core supplement kit are available as part of your Young Living membership. If you are not a Young Living member, contact the person that added you to this site and let them know that you want to get started with Young Living and the core supplement pack. Thank you for joining me tonight for this presentation. Feel free to add questions in the comments and I will respond. In the meantime, be well, be wise, and be a healthy warrior.